Okay. This is a shipworm. Look, it has its body parts in there. You see the intestines? It's so yummy. Makes you want to throw up. Okay. So this now is Ate Clara from Pasirutmos.
Pwede ba maraming suka?
No water, no water.
Ang daya may water.
Take a closer look.
Uy, pwede ba maraming suka? Mga walanjo kayo. Ang gago na, guys. Ganyan mo, higupin mo. Ay, parang oyster nga. Ang liit ng kay Clara.
Sure ka ba na parang
Ang
oyster
liit
yan?
na.
Parang squid lang.
Kitang-kita yung intestine sa loob, oh.
Love it! Love it!
How was it?
Parang gulaman.
Ah, matapang. Matapang.
Habaan yan, habaan.
Habaan.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Sapa.
Isa pa.
Sara naman.
Isa pa.
Usapan isa lang, ah.